National Medical Commission approves increase in MBBS seats at Goa Medical College. UPSC to publish CSE mains admit cards for September 2024 exam. CSIR UGC NET June 2024 scores released. DU NCWEB admissions 2024 special cutoff list released. Online admission starts today. IIM Raipur to launch 6 new management development programs for working professionals. CAT 2024 registration closes today by 5 pm. Apply now. Canada faces 39% decline in study permit approvals. Impact on Indian students. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are the Goa Medical College and Hospitals. The largest government hospital in Goa will increase its MBBS seats from 150 to 200 for the academic year 2024-2025, following the approval from the National Medical Commission. This significant expansion announced by State Health Minister Vishwajit Rane in a major milestone advancing medical education and healthcare service in the state. Additionally, GMCH has received approval for increased seats in several postgraduate courses. MD Radiodiagnosis from 6 to 7, MS General Surgery from 6 to 15, MS Obstetrics and Gynecology from 6 to 8, MD Pharmacology from 4 to 6, and MD Pediatrics from 7 to 10. This expansion reflects the government's commitment to enhancing medical education and addressing regional healthcares. The Union Public Service Commission is set to release the admit cards for the Civil Service Mains Examination 2024 this week. Candidates can download their hall tickets from the official UPSC website. The examination will commence on September 2024. It is essential for candidates to carry their e-admit card along with a valid photo ID matching the number on the admit card. The exam will commence on September 2024. It is essential for candidates to carry their e-admit cards along with a valid photo ID matching the number on the admit card to the examination center. If there are any discrepancies on the admit card, candidates must promptly contact the UPSC exam center. This year, UPSC has announced over 1,056 vacancies for civil services and 150 for Indian Forest Services, a decrease from last year, 1,105 posts. The preliminary examination was held on June 16, 2024. The National Testing Agency has announced the result for the CSIR UGC NET 2024 June exam. Candidates can access their scores on the official website using their application number and date of birth. Note that scores cards will not be sent by post or email. To check the scores, candidates should visit the official website, find their CSIR UGC NET June 2024 results link and enter the credentials. Out of 2,25,335 registered candidates, 1,63,529 appeared for the exam conducted from July 25-27 across 187 cities. The exam was initially scheduled for June but was postponed due to logistical issues. The provisional answer key was released on August 8, with the final key published on September 11. This exam accesses eligibility for Junior Research Fellowship, Assistant Professor roles and PhD admissions in India. The Non-Collegiate Women's Education Board has released the special cutoffs list for the admission on BA and BCom programs as of September 12. The cutoff list is available on the DU website. Online admissions will start on September 13. The cutoffs vary by category, with BCom program required 82% at Mirinda House, 76% for OBC and 72% for SC candidates. Hansraj College has set the cutoff at 84% for general category students, while Kalindi College and JDM have set theirs at 56 and 55% respectively. The list helps progressive students understand their minimum scores required for the admission in various colleges under the DU NCWEP. IIM Raipur will launch 6 new management development programs for working professionals this September and October, running from September 20 to October 23. These short-term programs aim to advance career and support organizational growth. The course will cover diverse topics including healthcare management, business analytics, and public-private partnership, as well as project appraisal, financing, project management, and financial risk management. Additionally, their focus will be on innovation and technology management in strategic management. Professor Ramkumar Kakani, director of IIM Raipur, highlighted that these MDPs are designed to provide transformative learning experience, equipping participants with advanced skills and strategies needed for the modern leadership. The programs are tailored to meet the evolving needs of the professionals in today's dynamic business environment. The Indian Institution of Management Calcutta will close the registration portal for CAT 2024 on September 13 at 5 p.m. Prospective candidates must complete their registration and fee payment by the deadline on the official website. The CAT 2024 exam is scheduled for November 24 across various cities in India. To be eligible, applicants need a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or be in the final year of graduation. Professional degrees like CA, CS, ICWA or FIAI are also accepted. To register, visit the official website, select new registration and enter the personal details. Validate with an OTP and login. Fill in the application form, upload necessary documents and select preferences. Complete the process with the online fee payment. Save the application and payment status for future references. Ensure your contact details are active as all communication will be through them. A recent report indicates a significant drop in Canada's study permit approvals with a projected 39% reduction with new permits for 2024 compared to 2023. Data from the EdTech company Applied Board shows that the second quarter of 2024, Canada proceeded from 1,27,700 new student permits, down from 54% from 2,38,000 in the same period of last year. For the first half of 2024, approximately 1,14,000 permits were approved, marking a 48% decrease from nearly 2,20,000 in the first half of 2023. If trends continues, a total approval of 2024 could fall into about 2,31,000, a 47% decline from 2023. The decline is most pronounced in the Ontario and British Columbia, with reduction of 70% and 49% respectively. Despite this, Indian students, making up nearly 50% of the Canada's international student body in 2023, maintain an 85% approval rate, though the application volume has decreased, suggested a shift in their interest. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.